Hi, I'd like to show you a few tools available in MyLab Statistics, and this time we'll look at the study plan. If you are in your web courses or your Canvas account, look for modules on the left-hand side, and then you'll scroll down until you see a MyLab Statistics study plan link. Click on that, and then this page will open up. Now, the study plan is basically set up for a safe place for you to study and practice any area of statistics that you want to work with, but it does not affect your homework grade or your quiz grade. This is simply a self-study safe area. So in this case, as you work through this, you'll get pins where you should work, and then you'll get points when you master a subject. This is an orientation exercise. So in the beginning, there's a quick video on dividing fractions that you can watch. So you can simply go in, watch the quick video on how to divide fractions, just in case you forgot how. You can watch through that. Then you can go and practice a few problems. And when you open up the practice session, this is a screen you're probably familiar with if you've used MyLab Math or MyLab Stats before. You have the Help Me Solve It's that walk you through step by step on how to solve problems like this. Or you can view an example and it shows you how the solution to the problem, like a solution view. You can also get more help. Sometimes this varies depending on the problem. If you're feeling brave, you can always just do a quiz me. And if you do the quiz me, there are no learning aids available. You just simply do the questions by starting the test, work through the problems, and if you do well on these, then you receive a mastery point. And again, these points do not count for anything towards your grade. This is simply to help you improve areas that you need to work on your own. So you can a good place to go to is the progress area or all chapters. But let's look at progress. And this, if you've worked in here or as you work through it, you'll get, and you don't do well in the quizzes like I did, you'll get pins that say you need to start working on this area. You can jump to any section and work on it, or you can go to where the pins are pointing. So in this case, I actually took a quiz. I didn't do well on the quiz, so I can't take it again. The system wants me to practice, so I need to go in here and I need to practice using my learning aids below if I need to, work through these problems. And when I get a score that's decent, and I can then go in and do the quiz again. Again, this is just for me to learn, so it's really a safe place for me to learn. And as I master the points and get the quiz me's correct, I'll actually learn some mastery points on the top, which don't count for anything but make me feel really good. So again, you can go into progress and work on any area. You can see the different chapters, how they correspond, or you can also go into all chapters if you prefer this view, and then you can expand the little plus signs in the front and then work on specific areas. The quiz me is just off to on the top right, so you choose an objective that you want to work on, and then you can do the quiz me, or you can go into the problems and work through it that way. This and this are basically the same, it's just a different view. I hope you find this helpful and that you work through this when you need help on a certain area and just really want to practice before a quiz or a test that actually counts from your instructor.